Ready to transform your homeschool with a tool that adapts to your child's unique learning needs? First, head over to ixl.com, where you can explore a wealth of subjects, from math and language arts to science and social studies, all in one place. To get started in math, simply select your child's grade level. Then, dive into specific skill categories, like algebra or geometry, to find topics that align with your curriculum. IXL provides immediate feedback, so when your child answers a question, they'll know instantly if they're on the right track, ensuring effective learning. Language arts is just as comprehensive. Discover interactive reading passages, grammar exercises, and even vocabulary-building activities for a well-rounded curriculum. Track your child's progress with IXL's detailed analytics. Identify their strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to tailor your lessons for maximum impact. Supplement your existing homeschool materials with IXL's engaging practice and personalized learning experience. So unlock the full potential of your homeschool today.